on some jazz, bro. Like, people be clowning me because I actually listen to jazz, bro. But that's just me, man. That's the crazy too, because on the piano, like, what? I swear, that intro right there, bro, I just keep replaying it. Like, literally this intro right here, it's probably one of the greats right here. This is Chet Baker, man. Oh my god, man. Bro, I swear, I literally took one of those magnesiums, right? Well, two of them. And I forgot I didn't have any water in my room at the moment. So, like, the thing was just dissolving in my mouth, and it just felt like chalk. Like, bro, pills without water, it's just terrible, bro. I didn't even know it was gonna be that bad. my room is really a mess right now, bro. Yo, I'm over here trying to pack and everything. So far what I have is I'm thinking about wearing a fit with these, man. I gotta try these on, man. But other than that, I have all my hair products. I have my fitted. Can never go without my fitted. I also got a shirt in there. It was a Frank Ocean shirt, which I'm gonna wear with these. I might just wear that. Yo, what I wore today is like kind of chill though, because I got Air Force Ones on. I got the cargo pants with, you know, a wife beater, and then I also got this on right here. So, I need to hurry up and do this, bro. Bro, I swear I barely have time to do anything, man. Okay, so just this. Take this. Put it in the closet. Thing I gotta say is never moisturize your braids when you're in a rush, man. I'm over here trying to go as fast as possible, but I gotta make sure like every part of my braid is moisturized and everything, and it has the right product in its like section. Again.
Choking the fuck out of you, girl.
Huh?
Oh shit, I didn't mean to put the flash on. Sorry. Sorry, broski.
Sorry, broski.
Why would they not make the elevators work, bro? Oh, you didn't pay yet, right?
No.
I want some ketchup on mine.
La falta de cariño.
I'm not a figure, I'm a lover.
Thank you, man. Have a good night, brother.
You want to get ketchup?
This is nice, okay?
Okay.
Sorry,
Okay. Thank you.
Ketchup,
Yeah.
salt, pepper.
Yeah, please, yes, salt. Thank you.
I'm literally back now from New York and everything. So exhausted. I'm not gonna lie. But it was pretty lit, I'm not gonna lie. And then again, it was just like, we went to a couple of places like Laser Bounds, the Sugar Factory actually too. That one was lit. I had a whole bunch of stuff, but it was pretty tough. Yeah, so that's basically it. It was just a pretty chill trip, to be honest.